See, I'm not sensitive to. I'm angry. Runway check.
It's like every day's a new day.
Every day's different for me. Okay. As soon as I get my max RPM, get out of here.
Yep.
All right.
Because now you can check your temps and your speed.
Airspeed's alive. Door's still open, but that's okay. And we are gonna rotate right at the rotating VX. VX 65, right there. Okay. Wow, this is dense.
Watch your speed, man. You're getting way back.
I missed it. I missed it completely. I hit that obstacle.
We were looking at this.
I hit the obstacle.
No, you're just clear of it.
Well, yeah, I cleared it because I got space, right?
Okay, so let's just complete the landing.
Yeah. Okay, heavy braking and fucking flares.
Okay.
Hey, fuck it, she's saying
Continue that approach. Who gives a shit?
Yep.
Get your speed back, though. You tend not to do fast. So you're well clear. You're perfectly clear of the obstacles. Continue this approach down.
Then via the pipeline, proceed eastbound to our zone. Would you mind going up to 2,000?
We will go up to 2,000.
Ready up to 2,000 approved. Circuit traffic right hand, 1.5 below you.
I missed the touchdown.
That's okay.
To the north.
You're well within it. I'll get your flaps.
Okay.
You're concentrating too much. We're going to do one more. Alright. That one will do a little bit.
Yankee Romeo traffic isn't mooning.
I'll get your flaps.
Half a mile off the end of runway 30. There will not be above 1,500 feet.
That's okay. Hey, you're good. You're clear. Yep, just continue down. Power out. Okay. You can roll it up to Charlie.
Yeah. Oshawa Tower, Quebec, Foxtrot Whiskey requesting taxi to the active full stop circuits with taxi wish, please.
Quebec Fox Whiskey ground altimeter 3016, taxi Alpha Bravo, cross runway 05. Contact tower holding short 30.
Hold short 30, Quebec, Foxtrot Whiskey.
Oshawa ground, this is Cessna 152, Foxtrot, Yankee Alpha with information, Charlie.
Fox Whiskey, exit runway 05, right turn on to Bravo. Contact tower holding short runway 30 for another.
Hold short for 30 for another, Quebec, Foxtrot Whiskey.
Ground squawk 1221.
1221, Alpha Romeo Yankee.
Alpha Bravo Civil is clear to the east, over Hampton, 1,800 feet.
X-ray Bravo, Sierra Roger, cleared under.
Cleared under, that's the right here, thank you.
Quebec Fox Whiskey, exit 05, taxi Bravo, contact tower holding short runway 30 for another.
Hold short 30, Quebec, Fox Whiskey for another. Thank you.
Oshawa ground, Romeo Zulu Delta. Romeo Zulu Delta, Oshawa ground. Oshawa ground, Romeo Zulu Delta is a Cessna 172 on Enterprise apron, requesting taxi instructions to active runway for a local northern flight at 3,000 feet with instructions, Charlie. Romeo Zulu Delta ground altimeter 3016, taxi Bravo, cross runway 05, contact tower holding short runway 30, squawk 1220. Romeo Zulu Delta, hold short runway 30. Romeo Zulu Delta, ground.
Just want to confirm the squawk code for Romeo Zulu Delta is 122. Is it 1 or 0?
Romeo Zulu Delta, squawk 1220.
1220.
Oshawa ground, this is Golf Foxtrot X-ray requesting permission to Ready for takeoff, 30.
Fox Whiskey, exit Charlie, taxi Charlie Bravo, cross 05, contact tower, holding short 30 for another.
Hold short 30, sorry about that, tower.
Whiskey November X-ray, tower cleared on.
Whiskey November X-ray.
Fox Whiskey, exit on Charlie, taxi Bravo, cross 05, contact tower, holding short 30 for another.
Hold short 30, Quebec Foxtrot Whiskey.
Right base, altimeter 3017.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha.
Oshawa Tower, this is Yankee Golf, currently an altitude of 4,000 feet, just abreast Raglan to the west, clearing the zone to the north.